Well, it's finally done. Just a couple of little bits of painting things left to do, but that's the boss's problem, not mine. This is the finished product. It's going to be a real quick video, but yeah, it's nice to be finished and actually getting back onto car things. Anyway, here it is. Alright, I just received notification today that our benchtop has arrived, so I've got to get that and screw that on. All the painting of the walls is done and it looks terrific. Obviously not the hallway. Colour looks amazing, and we've got our thermal curtains in. The tiles look great with the colour, and again more thermal curtains. I've also put some sensor lights up under the cupboards. Show you that in a sec. One of these doors has still got to have another coat, but 1, 2, 3 are now ready to rehang. These ones are just finishing drying, so very close there. It just looks terrific, looks so modern and fresh. And of course I showed you the finished flooring. So, don't know whether it's dark enough. Probably isn't. No, it's not. It's about time to close the curtains anyway. It's getting -2 this morning. Sensor light, block out, thermal curtains, sensor light, block out, thermal curtains, and sensor lights. Anyway, that's it. That's it for the kitchen. Finally finished. Next week we're going to have some prep videos on Natasha, because it's only 2 and a bit weeks till I actually get on the boat. So that's a bit panicky. But anyway, we'll get there. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next week.